Valentine's Day evokes some pretty, mixed feelings. For some people, it's a day to celebrate the love in their lives, and for others, it's a day to cry into their ice cream while watching chick flicks. Frankly, most of us will spend both kinds of Valentine's Days in our lifetimes. Whatever your feelings this season, one thing is for sure. Love is one powerful emotion. Think of every love song or breakup song you've ever heard. Finding love, losing it, longing for it, it's pretty much every artist's ultimate muse. The Valentine's Challenge will highlight the highs and lows of love through some of the most iconic music of all time. Join us in celebrating the power of music by earning 96% or higher on any of the songs in the Valentine's Challenge for a chance to win prizes. But you have to be fast. The challenge will only run through Valentine's Day, so stock up on ice cream, invest in some high-quality tissues, and get ready for all the feels.